Just about every day, I make a list for the things that I'm hoping to accomplish the next day. So if it's Monday, I'm making a list of the things that I want to do on Tuesday. On that list, there are things that are no-brainers. They're easy. Say, make the bed. I purposely put those on there so that they're over and done and I have something to check off the list. And some of the things on the list, I'm not looking forward to. Maybe they're just unpleasant things, or maybe they're somehow challenging or complicated. And the way that I go about dividing and conquering those things is to tackle them when my emotional and physical energy is relatively high. For me, what that often comes down to is tackling the most challenging part of my day after I've had a nap. I don't get to take a nap every day. I'm sure you don't either. But some kind of pause in the day where I just get to let off some steam and chill out. And then after I've done that, I can take on what I consider to be the most complicated or sort of fearsome part of my day's activities.